A bubbling skillet straight from the oven. This is my coconut curry potato gratin, completely dairy-free, nut-free, and full of flavor. We start with some simple potatoes. I'm using about 5 here since they are on the smaller side, and slicing them as thinly as I can. They don't have to be perfect, just aim for a similar thickness so they cook evenly. A mandoline works great, but a knife and a little patience gets the job done too. Next, we're going to lightly grease a cast iron skillet with a bit of oil. This helps everything crisp up beautifully around the edges. And now we layer. Arrange the potatoes in a circular pattern, slightly overlapping each piece. Add a light sprinkle of salt and pepper, then repeat. Layer by layer, building flavor into every bite. And yes, my camera unfortunately kept going in and out of focus, but the process was still the same. And now we'll start building the sauce. I'm just peeling and mincing some garlic. Once the garlic is minced, we're going to whisk it together with some coconut milk, some curry powder, the minced garlic, salt and pepper, and a little bit of turmeric for some pretty color. This will get poured over the top of the potato. Give it a good whisk and pour it straight over the potatoes. Try to cover all of them so they get the flavoring. Cover the pan with foil, bake at 400 for 25 to 30 minutes. Remove the foil for the last 10 to 15 minutes to let the tops kind of get crunchy and caramelized, and straight to the table with a fresh garnish of parsley.